So as you're watching this video right now, you know my name. Now that's a lower third, and that gives you instant authority right away in your videos. These are created with our dynamic video animation engine in just 3 clicks inside the cloud. And look now, we've got animated callouts inside of the video. You can grow your social media following right inside your videos. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat. And you can even use text animations over the top of your videos to drive what your viewers do. Get more subscribers, click below for more. It makes your videos stand out and keeps your viewers engaged. And that's not all, there's more. How good did that look? Now, you've probably seen these types of video animations more and more recently, and there's a good reason for that. Videos account for 57% of all consumer traffic on the internet, and that's going to rise to 79% in the next 2 years. 64% of consumers are more likely to purchase a product after watching a video. But just having video is no longer enough. Over 400 hours of video are uploaded to YouTube every single minute. And that means if you want your videos to get attention, they've got to make your viewers go, wow. Animations that you just saw used to be something that you could only create by spending thousands of dollars on software like Adobe After Effects. But now you can create animations like you've just seen in just 3 clicks.
Really, Viddyoze is one of the biggest points in my arsenal for creative coolness.
We made a lot of videos, both for our own products and for clients, but we knew our videos needed to stand out. That's why we started getting these fancy logo animations made, because the difference it makes is huge. But after 10 times of paying $80 per animation and waiting a week to get them back, you just start thinking there has to be a better way to do this. Viddyoze is really about freedom. It's completely cloud-based, so you can create your animations from anywhere. And it's all completely automated. So that means you're never waiting around for your video to get to the front of some overworked guy's queue. You just select the templates you want and set it going on our servers. All the magic's done inside your browser. You don't need a high-end computer or any special expensive software. A couple of clicks and you're done.
I love it because it is so easy to use. The simplicity, it's just so quick, anybody can do it.
Our templates have been crafted by professional animators and designers, and as you can see, the result is absolutely stunning. And unlike other animation platforms, Viddyoze isn't designed to do just one thing. In fact, what we're about to show you is going to change everything you think you know about video animation. Viddyoze can do everything. You want an amazing intro? You've got it. Just select a template from the library, customize it to match your brand, and add your logo. That's it. That's really how simple it is. You can even create social animations to drive more likes, more shares, and even more retweets, and boost your social engagement. You've got slick transition animations that make cutting between scenes smooth and professional. And of course, you've got outros and call to actions to make your videos more memorable, but more importantly, make them convert.
Hey, it's Joey here. In this video, I'm going to share with you the secret to creating your very own stunning 3D video animations in under 2 minutes. I'm talking about video animations that will skyrocket your engagement, conversions, and sales. Video animations just like the ones you're watching right now. But why even use video animations? Right now, video accounts for more than 57% of all consumer traffic online. And according to YouTube, there's more than 300 hours of video content being uploaded every 60 seconds. That means that if you want your videos to get the attention they deserve, they need to stand out from the crowd. And how do you do that? Well, it's simple, using professional, engaging video animations. Now I'm guessing that's why you're here. You wanted to find a way to create stunning video animations without having to spend hundreds, if not thousands of dollars for one video animation. And let's face it, cost is just one obstacle. What about time? If you ever tried to create an animation like this for yourself, it would take you literally days of effort using expensive software on an even more expensive computer to create anything close to what you're seeing right now. Look, in this age of technology, creating a video animation should be easy, and you should be able to create your own fully customized video animations in just a matter of minutes, without any of the cost, technical experience, or time. And hey, if you're still here watching this video right now, you already know how powerful and highly engaging these video animations are. That's exactly why we created Viddyoze. We wanted to create a simple solution for a complex problem. We wanted an app that we could use to create stunning video animations to increase viewer engagement, boost our sales, conversions, and make us a lot more money from our video content. We wanted to supercharge our video content using logo stingers, intros, text animations, outros, transparent lower thirds, and real-world animation effects. And we needed our solution to do it all without complex software, without expensive freelancers or animators, without any technical experience whatsoever, all within a matter of minutes. And that's exactly what we created. Viddyoze is our web-based one-click video animation software that allows anyone, regardless of technical skill, to create highly engaging, professional animations in just a matter of minutes. Studio-grade logo stingers, intros, calls to action, short promotional videos, social video animations, transparent overlay animations. You'll even be able to spray paint your logo on a wall or put it on the side of a coffee mug. Ready to start creating your first stunning video animation in a matter of minutes? Click below to order now. Now look, at the start of the video, I told you you'll be able to create a video animation in just 2 minutes. So let's start the timer and jump in. First, simply log into your Viddyoze account. You can log in from any device, anywhere in the world. All you need is an internet connection. You don't need a powerful PC, and you won't need to install any complicated software. Viddyoze is incredibly simple to use. Let's go ahead and create our first animation by simply selecting a template we want to work with. We have a massive selection of templates to choose from. In this first example, we'll create a slick logo stinger animation. As soon as you start, you'll notice you can customize your animation in a number of ways very easily and quickly. This particular template is a logo stinger, so we're going to upload our logo. You would obviously use your own or your client's. I'll use a generic logo for now. Hit next and choose the colors to perfectly match your brand. When you're ready, Viddyoze will generate a preview of your animation, and if you're happy with it, hit create video. Viddyoze will then create your video 100% in the cloud. And before you know it, you'll have a perfect, high-resolution logo stinger animation ready to use. It really is that simple, and it really is that good. It's so good, in fact, that we've got over 100,000 customers already using the Viddyoze platform. We have a 5-star rating on Trustpilot and are also being used by some of the biggest brands in the world. Tesla, Sony, Vodafone, Shell, and PepsiCo, just to name a few. If you're ready to join the likes of 100,000 happy Viddyoze users and some of the biggest businesses in the world, then go ahead and order now by clicking the button below this video. Now, let's make another animation. This time, let's use a real-world live action template. From the category menu, I'll select live action. We have templates for every kind of niche you can imagine. I want to make something for a local coffee shop, so let's search for coffee. Here's one called Latte Art, which is going to allow us to add a logo inside a real live cup of coffee. Once again, we're going to simply upload our logo. When we're ready, we'll hit next, and there we go. If we're happy with the result, the same as before, we'll go ahead and hit create. Viddyoze once again will work its magic 100% in the cloud, which means you can actually go and have a real coffee whilst Viddyoze goes to work. Whatever type of video you're creating, Viddyoze has something for absolutely anything you can think of. As you've seen, Viddyoze is deceptively simple to use, and that's exactly what we wanted. You see, if you were to go and create animations like the ones I've shown you by yourself, it would not only take an incredible amount of technical skill, but it takes a lot of time. Even a seasoned professional animator has to spend hours upon hours creating animations like the ones you're watching right now. Now maybe you're thinking, well, I can just pay somebody to do it for me. No problem. Just be ready to pay upwards of $150 for a single video animation. Animations are not cheap. That's why we created Viddyoze. Our goal is to provide a simple, fast, and highly cost-effective way to create stunning video animation. What you've seen here is just the tip of the iceberg. You can create any kind of video you can think of. Incredible 3D logo animations that could only be created by professional animators, accessible to you in just a few clicks. Beautiful text animations to add impact to your videos. Customize colors and enter any text you want. Attention-grabbing social media animations to drop into your social media campaigns and ads, perfect for that extra level of engagement. Lower thirds, outros, and jaw-dropping call-to-action animations, or even short promotional videos for your business. Viddyoze does it all. Every single one of our animations can be customized with your own imagery, text, colors, and branding so that it fits perfectly with your business and content. So now you have a decision to make. Option 1, you can go out and pay upwards of $150 per video animation to a freelancer who will take days, maybe more, to deliver your finished animation. Option 2, you could go and learn to create video animations all by yourself using complicated, expensive animation software. Or you can choose option 3, already chosen by over 100,000 people. You can join Viddyoze and gain access to an extensive library of professional 3D video animations that you can customize, tweak, and create within minutes without expensive freelancers or any complicated software. And just to sweeten the deal, the price you're seeing on this page is an exclusive, limited time offer that you won't find anywhere else. And we won't be offering videos at this price for long. But if you act now, you'll be guaranteed to lock in the best possible discount before the price goes back up. So, if you're ready to start creating your first personalized, stunning video animation, we can help you get started in just a few clicks. Go ahead and click on the button below to get started right now. We look forward to seeing the incredible animations you create and helping you increase your conversions, sales, and most importantly, completely supercharging your video content.